Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mahale. Today I'll explain the early signs of diabetes in simple language so anyone can understand. So, diabetes can quietly harm the body if it's not detected very early. The good news is that early diagnosis can prevent many of the long term complications that are feared. Diabetes is a condition where the body cannot control blood sugar properly. Most of the time, it's mainly due to insulin problems within the body. So not everybody have all the symptoms that are listed here, but noticing even a few of the symptoms is very important. So when blood sugar is very high in the body, the kidneys try to remove it, causing frequent urination and constant thirst. This being the very common symptom in most patients. So when the body can't use sugar for energy, it starts breaking down fat and muscles. So we see unexplained weight loss without any diet or exercises. And also, high blood sugar affects energy levels and it can also temporarily affect vision. So, blurring of vision can be one of the symptoms too. And also, high sugar levels make it very hard for the body to heal, to fight infections and to heal appropriately. So, small cuts and wounds might heal very slowly. So when you see darkened skin patches, especially at the back of the neck, it can be a sign of early insulin resistance. So there are two types of diabetes: type one diabetes and type two. So mostly type two diabetes is often missed because symptoms develop very slowly, unlike type one. So these are a list of simple blood tests that you can do at the clinic or hospital and check whether you have diabetes or not. So early testing can save lives. Don't wait if symptoms are persistent. Better to go check at your healthcare physician. So thank you very much. If you like this kind of simple health education videos, stay tuned for more. Thank you. Bye.